Our planet is a world of water, a vibrant blue sphere suspended in the vastness of space. Indeed, oceans cover more than 70% of its surface, a seemingly endless expanse that teems with life and conceals countless mysteries. We've explored mountains and deserts, charting the highest peaks and the driest valleys, but the greatest wilderness, the most unexplored territory, remains: the deep sea. This is a realm of perpetual night, where sunlight fails to penetrate and darkness reigns supreme, a place of immense pressure, crushing forces that would instantly destroy anything not adapted to withstand them, and freezing cold, temperatures that hover just above the point of ice formation. It's a world more alien than the moon, a landscape sculpted by forces unseen on land. Here, life thrives in ways that defy imagination, evolving in isolation to create forms both beautiful and bizarre. We're about to descend far below the sunlit waves, leaving behind the familiar world of blue and green into the abyssal plains and deepest trenches, where the ocean floor stretches out into seemingly endless darkness. Down here, the rules of life are rewritten, and the very definition of what is possible is challenged. Evolution has forged creatures of nightmare and wonder, beings that glow with their own light and possess adaptations beyond our wildest dreams. Our quest to find one of the deep's most enigmatic predators, a creature shrouded in mystery and whispered about in hushed tones, known simply as darkness. Imagine descending in a submersible, a fragile bubble of technology against the immense power of the ocean, blue light fading to black as the last rays of the sun disappear above. The only illumination are searchlights, cutting through the inky blackness and revealing a world of strange and wondrous sights. Outside, the temperature drops, the pressure mounts, a constant reminder of the hostile environment that surrounds us, and yet life persists, thriving in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Somewhere in this vast expanse, our quarry waits, a master of its domain, perfectly adapted to this extreme environment. The deep ocean is Earth's final frontier, a place of untold potential and undiscovered secrets, holding clues to the origins of life, offering a glimpse into the earliest days of our planet, and survival in extremes, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of life in the face of adversity. As we venture into the abyss, pushing the boundaries of human exploration, we're not just seeking a creature, we're searching for answers to profound questions about life, evolution, and the very nature of our planet. The deep is calling, beckoning us to explore its hidden depths and unlock its ancient secrets. We must go. From the crushing depths where sunlight fails to penetrate, it emerges, a subtle flicker, a phantom dance at the very edge of our submersible's lights, a hint of something ancient and powerful. Noctis Tenebris, or simply darkness, is a creature of the abyss, seemingly fragile, no longer than a human arm, yet it exudes an aura of dominance, utterly commanding the space around it. A true apex predator of this lightless realm. Its body is polished jet, a perfect black, absorbing every photon, every trace of light that dares to touch it, rendering it nearly invisible, a shadow within shadows, even when bathed in our artificial illumination. It moves with a slow, deliberate grace, each movement precise, economical, a phantom gliding effortlessly through its high-pressure world, a realm hostile to almost all other life. Its form is both elegant and terrifying, a paradox of nature, a long, eel-like body, perfectly streamlined for hunting, covered in smooth, almost velvety skin, and a cavernous, unsettling, permanent grin that hints at the horrors it inflicts. Where eyes should be, there are only vestigial pits, evolution's cruel joke. Sight is useless here in this eternal night. Darkness senses the world through other mysterious means, feeling the vibrations, the subtle shifts in pressure, the biosignatures of its prey. Its mouth is a fortress, a terrifying architecture of translucent, needle-thin teeth, so long and sharp they slide into specialized grooves in its jaws when the mouth is closed, forming an inescapable cage, a prison from which there is no escape. These teeth are for ensnaring, not chewing, a perfect, deadly trap for unsuspecting prey. The creature glides past, seemingly unconcerned by our presence, a fleeting glimpse into an alien world, a vision ripped straight from a primeval past, a living fossil. Its entire being is a masterclass in adaptation, a testament to the power of evolution in the face of extreme conditions. A silent hunter, a wraith of the abyss, a ghost in the machine of the deep-sea ecosystem. Seeing it here in its natural habitat is a chilling privilege, a rare glimpse into the hidden wonders of our planet. This is darkness, Noctis Tenebris, sovereign of the cold, black realm, a ruler unchallenged in its domain. Even on our own planet, teeming with life as we know it, there are worlds we're only beginning to discover, vast and unexplored. The deep remains a mystery, a frontier of scientific exploration, and darkness is its perfect, enigmatic emblem. Just as we think darkness is pure shadow, it erupts in a dazzling display of light. Bioluminescence, tiny photophores embedded in its skin, create intricate, controlled patterns. The lights flash, pulse, or glow, serving many purposes. The lure above its mouth glows, attracting curious prey into its deadly trap. But the lights are also a language. Unique patterns signal mates across the dark water. In a world where encounters are rare, this luminous conversation ensures survival. When threatened, darkness can unleash a blinding flash, disorienting predators and vanishing into blackness. Here, light is a lure, a language, and a weapon. For darkness, bioluminescence is the key to its reign. In the deep, survival is written in light. The abyss glows with secrets. Every part of darkness is honed for efficient predation. Its mouth opens wide, swallowing prey even larger than itself, a vital adaptation where meals are rare. Needle-like teeth impale and trap, forming a perfect cage. Prey lured by the glowing bait is caught instantly, unable to escape. Darkness's body is a sensory instrument. Its lateral line detects the faintest vibrations, building a three-dimensional map of its world. It feels its prey's approach long before it's close. Its metabolism is slow, conserving energy for long waits between meals. An ambush predator, it remains motionless for hours, expending minimal energy. This deadly weaponry, acute senses, and energy efficiency make darkness the ultimate deep-sea predator. It is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly adapted to the abyss. In the deep, patience and precision are everything. Darkness is the embodiment of both. Life in the deep ocean is a battle against crushing pressure. At depths of 4,000 to 6,000 meters, pressure exceeds 600 times that at the surface. Darkness survives by having no internal air spaces. Its body is nearly as dense as the water around it. Liquids are incompressible, so the immense pressure is balanced inside and out. Its bones are cartilaginous, its flesh gelatinous, adaptations for life under pressure. Brought to the surface, such creatures collapse, their bodies designed for the deep. Darkness is held together by the very force that would destroy us. The cold is another challenge. Water hovers just above freezing. Specialized enzymes and a slow metabolism allow darkness to function in these frigid depths. It is truly cold-blooded, its temperature matching the icy water. Pressure and cold rule the deep, and darkness has mastered both. Here, survival means becoming one with the abyss. To understand darkness, we journey to its home, the oceanic trenches, Earth's deepest places. The Mariana Trench plunges nearly 11,000 meters, but darkness prefers the upper slopes. The seafloor is covered in marine snow, a rain of organic material from above, fueling the abyssal ecosystem. Scavengers sift through this nutrient-rich ooze, forming the base of the food chain. Predators like darkness depend on this slow fall of life. The landscape is monumental. Sheer cliffs, deep furrows, and profound silence. Here, creatures move slowly, conserving energy. We glimpse ghostly grenadier fish and translucent sea cucumbers, potential prey for darkness. It hangs motionless above the seabed, lure glowing, a patient angler. The trench is a theater of life and death, and darkness is its star performer. In this stable, ancient world, it has perfected its hunting strategy. The deep is a world of ghosts, and darkness is its shadow. Here, every movement is a matter of survival. Amid the abyss, hydrothermal vents, black smokers, create oases of life. Superheated, mineral-rich water erupts from the seafloor, supporting ecosystems independent of sunlight. Chemosynthetic bacteria harness chemical energy, forming the base of a dense food web. Giant tube worms, crabs, shrimp, and mussels thrive in this toxic, high-temperature world. Darkness patrols the periphery, drawn by the abundance of prey. The vents are bustling cities in a vast desert, attracting predators from the surrounding abyss. Here, darkness uses its sensory abilities to ambush creatures straying from the vent's safety. The vent field is dangerous, but for darkness, it's a land of plenty. These gardens of fire and life show how resourceful life can be. Even in extremes, the deep finds a way. Scientists call darkness alien for good reason. Its adaptations, bioluminescent lures, non-reflective skin, needle-like teeth, seem otherworldly. It lives without sunlight, endures crushing pressure, and senses the world through vibrations, not sight. Its language is light, not sound. These are not minor tweaks, but a different solution to existence. Astrobiologists study the deep sea, imagining similar life on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. If life exists there, it might resemble darkness. Chemosynthetic, bioluminescent, thriving in darkness. Studying darkness previews what we might find elsewhere in the cosmos. It broadens our definition of life and where it can exist. Darkness is alien not because it's from the stars, but because it's from a world within our own. It is a messenger from inner space, challenging our assumptions and igniting our imagination. Our time in the abyss draws to a close as we begin our ascent, leaving behind the crushing pressure and the perpetual night. We are leaving darkness to its eternal hunt, a realm where survival is a constant struggle and the rules of life are rewritten. We've glimpsed its world, a place of alien beauty and unimaginable strangeness. But mysteries remain, unsolved puzzles that beckon us to return and delve deeper. How does it truly live? How does it reproduce in this extreme environment? And what other bizarre and wondrous creatures lurk here, hidden from our view? We've explored less than 5% of our oceans, a truly staggering statistic when you consider the sheer size of this underwater realm. The deep is Earth's largest, least known habitat, a vast and unexplored wilderness teeming with potential. Its species may hold keys to new medicines, unlocking cures for diseases that plague humanity, and novel materials, with properties we can only dream of. It could even hold the key to understanding our planet's history, revealing secrets of the Earth's past. The enzymes of deep-sea life, adapted to extreme conditions, could revolutionize industry and medicine, offering sustainable solutions to some of our biggest challenges. But this hidden world, so full of promise, is already threatened by the looming specter of climate change, destructive mining practices, and the ever-increasing tide of pollution. We must explore and understand this fragile ecosystem before we damage it irreparably, before we lose its secrets forever. The story of darkness is a call for conservation, a plea to protect this unique and vital part of our planet, because we simply cannot protect what we do not know, what we haven't even begun to understand. Exploration is the first crucial step to responsible stewardship, to ensuring the health of our oceans for generations to come. The journey to meet darkness, to witness its world firsthand, reminds us that our world is still full of wonder, still brimming with undiscovered treasures. The abyss is a final frontier, a place of immense pressure and total darkness that challenges our understanding of life itself. It's not in space, but right here on Earth, a world hidden beneath the waves. And as long as creatures like darkness continue to swim in its depths, defying the odds and thriving in the impossible, the call to explore, to understand, and to protect remains a powerful and urgent imperative. The journey into the deep has only just begun, and the secrets it holds are waiting to be discovered.